here is your insight into the Christchurch City Market and the month that was. Tougher economic conditions, both locally and globally, have certainly led to an element of hesitation in our marketplace. We saw 610 sales take place in Christchurch City last month, which represents a 14% drop from March of 2022. Now, there's still well over 2,000 properties for sale in Christchurch City, and there is fewer buyers there to buy our properties. So what does that mean for you? It means in this market you need to align yourself with an agent and agency that puts you first. They need to offer strategic planning, marketing and presentation advice to you, and critical support throughout the whole process, because it can be relatively stressful at the best of times. There's no doubt that if we look at the market trends over the last 12 months for Christchurch City, that it has been taking a lot longer to sell each property. In fact, in February of this year, it took an average of 41 days to sell each house. But in March just gone, we saw a dramatic change. The average time to sell dropped to 33 days on the market. Now, this is still up from March of 2022, which saw the average time be 29 days, but the running average for March year on year is approximately 31 days. So what this would imply to me is that we're just back to a normal marketplace. When compared to other major centres, Christchurch City is clearly holding its own. We haven't experienced the major declines like Auckland and Wellington of up to 25%. In fact, nowhere near. The median sale price in March was $680,000. This represents a month-on-month increase in Christchurch City, but it does show that there's been a slight correction from March of 2022. Now, the recent inflation figures that came out a few days ago show that inflation may have peaked in the third quarter of the last financial year. Now sitting at 6.7%, it's certainly nothing to jump and celebrate. We're all feeling the pinch in the shops on a week-to-week basis. But it is a positive step. It does mean in the long run, money is going to become cheaper, there's going to be more trust, and there's going to be more activity in our marketplace. Now, for me, this is a very positive sign for things to come over the next few months. And I would have to ask the question, have we reached the bottom of the market? I hope that you find these insights useful. I'll be back again this time next month with another snapshot of our marketplace. For now, stay dry, stay warm, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call.